How cute. They've upgraded their plaza. This is gonna be neat. Nava Dental's got a new sign. Nava Dental has upgraded their sign. Ooh, that's my dentist's office, and their plaza sign has been freshly painted, and it's pretty too. So this is where my dentist is. Right in here. So my appointment's not till 9, but there are others that are here early. So if you have a need for these things, oh, look at, this has really been spruced up back here. This is lovely. I didn't have to bother standing in line with people when I go across the border. I'd rather wait in my car. So it's a pretty nice parking place, huh?